Hey, what's going on, folks? We're talking to you today about tenants and landlords. Hi, this is Jim with TheRealEstateExpert.Online. Thanks for joining me. It's another one of those hot topics. You know, as a landlord for 31 years, it's got to be the most painful process any landlord would have to endure when it comes to evicting tenants. I'm in the business to keep people in property, not put them out. But it has become a very special technique and process that I now specialize in through my attorney, unfortunately, where I am forced to do an eviction on tenants. That's the last thing I want to do, and I want to give you some key pointers for tenants out there looking to rent a property from a landlord. I always try to explain to the tenants when they move into a property what the process is and what is going to be the best way to keep a roof over their head. Obvious reasons and solutions are to make your payments on time, as well as take care of the house and follow the rules of the lease that is spelled out. Now, I specialize in lease purchase options and owner financing. So I like to get a tenant turned into a buyer, whereas they can actually purchase the property from me at a future date so they can have that homeownership pride, that having a property to call their own and have homeownership. So the key thing is communication. Tenants do not know how to communicate. For some reason, they did not teach that in the school system. You can take 2 minutes out of your day, pick up the phone, and call your landlord and let them know if you are having trouble making your payment. We get it. Life gets in the way. Things happen that are beyond your control. But with today's technology, there is no excuse at all, as long as you're alive, to pick up the phone and call your landlord and let them know. You will find out that most landlords will give you the respect and a little leniency on getting your payment made to avoid eviction. When you stop communicating and stop answering your text messages, emails, letters, and phone calls, that gives us as a landlord the impression that you are no longer interested in living there. You have lost all self-respect as well as the respect of the landlord, and when it comes time for the eviction, we have no more love for you. So we as landlords have to spare the expense to hire an attorney and take you through the process, and then you have to take time off of work, appear in court, and or do a Zoom court hearing, and it's just painful for all parties. You'll be surprised how the process could move so much smoother if you as a tenant just pick up the phone and call us, communicate with us, folks. You know, you're full-grown adults. You know, I could tell you story after story after story of tenants that could have, saved themselves thousands of dollars, going through the process, and then they got to start the process all over again. They get a ding on their credit. There's a cash judgment typically on their credit as well. So you're not getting out scot-free, folks. You're going to get a money judgment attached to garnishing your wages or your tax returns. So you think you're getting a free ride? You're not getting a free ride. So please, if you're a tenant and you're going to rent a property from a landlord, especially me, Communication is the key. Thanks for chiming in. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And I hope this helps for all you tenants and landlords out there, that the next time you think about not making your payment and or are unable to make your payment, pick up the phone and call your landlord, for God's sake. Bye for now. Make it a great day.